This is a 2002 Ford Ranger, extended cab, 81,000 miles. Yes, 81,000 miles. Sideways. Sorry for the windows. Kind of windy today. The vehicle is running. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. In incredible condition for an 02. Wow. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Very, very clean. Rust-free, tires are in good shape. Perfect student vehicle. We will not finance this vehicle. Most banks, because it's a 2002, won't do it unless your credit score is above a 730, and then we have a bank that will do it. Interior is in wonderful condition, as you can see. Jump seats in the back. This is an extended cab. Carfax report. AM FM CD. 81,000 miles. Power windows, locks, and cruise. Perfect truck for student. So this is a 2002 Ford Ranger extended cab, 81,000 miles with a 3.0 liter engine. Needs absolutely nothing. In wonderful condition, no rust. Gorgeous truck.